Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make your own music in Roblox Studio. So firstly, we need to open our browser, and in the search panel, we'll type Roblox. Then left click on Roblox and go to the Roblox website. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Then we'll go to the Create tab. Now go to Creations. Now from here, you need to select the development items. Then click on Audio. Now in the Audio tab, you need to upload your music file. So click on Upload Asset. Then click on the Upload button. Now select the music file you created and click on Open. Now give a description and name, which can be whatever you would like. Then click on Upload. Now the upload is complete. Now click on the file. From here you can change different aspects, permissions. Now go to the Creator Store page of this asset file. This is the public view of the music you uploaded. You can click on the URL, then copy the code and use it in Studio as you see fit in your game or whatsoever. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.